this is Linda Facci of Facci Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a toilet paper tube owl. And here we have some examples of them. So today we're going to make this white owl. What you'll need are some toilet paper rolls, and you'll want to cover them with some white paper. So you measure the amount of white paper you would need, add some glue, and then wrap it around the toilet paper tube. Let that dry. Then we're going to bend in the ears. We'll bend the top of the toilet paper tube inwards to create the owl ears. So then you're going to get another piece of white paper, a little shorter than the first one, about 2.5 inches tall. And you're going to create little scalloped feathers with your marker. And you're going to alternate between them until you get a row of feathers. Now we tape that around the bottom of our tube. Then we're going to cut a little beak on the top and glue some orange felt to that. We're going to make the eyes out of yellow felt and black felt, and we'll glue those on. Our next step would be to add some feathers to the side of the owl, and then you'll just get your glue gun and glue those to the side of the tube. And there you have a toilet paper tube owl. I'm Linda Facci of Facci Designs. Bye-bye.